Oh my goodness, I had seriously forgotten how good these are. Nice plates down here. I can't tell you how good this smells. It smells so delicious with that chicken finished up on that barbie. And we are now going to sort this fridge out and hopefully make the space a little bit more better organised for us. Let's see if these work. Hi there and welcome back to a new weekend vlog. I am going to kick you straight off with a mini Morrison's haul purely because we have just got through the door and I need to get sorted, but I wanted to say hello. I hope you had a good week and a lovely weekend, and I'm going to show you what we've just picked up and then we're going to bake. So I really hope you'll enjoy this weekend vlog. It is going to be a homely one because we're getting ready for our trip. You're probably bored of me saying that now, aren't you? I think when this, currently as I film this, we have 3 weeks to go. Oh my goodness, 3 weeks to go, wow. I was really excited. This is the only reason I'm starting off straight away. You know, I've been looking for a green vase. It is only just green. £2 in Morrison's. It wasn't even reduced. That is the full price. Really impressed with that. Just what I've been after, and I would have probably have spent more in a charity shop because that's where I've been looking. I wanted a French stick. We've got some friends coming over for the first time this evening. First time that these friends are coming over. It's not the first time ever that we're having friends over. And I wanted a French stick. I've baked some bread and eaten half of it. I just wanted a French stick. They didn't have any, so they had about 4 tiger loaves left. So that's it. 2 for £2, I think these were, something like that. So we've got those, and I'm about to make a recipe with Rolos. I'm very excited about that. Aid's picked up Twiglets I've just seen, and Ritz biscuits, and cheese for the dip tonight, and some blue cheese. These for our trip, we can go and put those straight in the suitcase. And this is what I'm excited about. I love it when there's a cool flavoured crisp, and I love ridged crisps the best. So I'm going to try one straight away. Kebabs are my favourite. Oh, that smells like a kebab. Oh my god, that is an amazing crisp. You can really taste the mint on it. £1.15. They are really good. Right, I'm going to pack this away and then we're going to bake. So I am going to make these chocolate toffee blondies. Got the cookbook here that Isabel bought me for my birthday, and I was really fancying something different, but I didn't know what. Using Rolos, and all we need is plain flour, granulated sugar, brown sugar, caramel, eggs, and margarine, and that should be it. 20 grams. made Blondies for ages. That looks so nice. Aid, when did you last have a Rolo?
Oh, a long time ago.
Oh, do the packets, have they just got really tiny?
Same
That's
with everything.
so small. How many of these do we need?
Just one, so we need the rest of them.
No. 200 grams. Would you like one? Do you want to try it to see if they still taste the same?
Go on then.
Shall I give you my last one? Are you too young to know what that means? Let me know. Oh, I've just dropped some of the wrapper in the mix. Surely everybody knows what the last Rolo means. Wasn't that good marketing back then? There you go. I actually like, what's the one similar to Rolos that have the crunch? There you go. My last one.
Thank you. Well, just one there.
It's not really, I've got 7 other rolls. I've forgotten how good they are. Oh my goodness, I had seriously forgotten how good these are. I'm just going to fold these in. Lined my tray, kind of. Let's get this in here. It's really weird, it's plain flour, but there's no baking powder. Is that normal for Blondies? It doesn't look like there's going to be enough mixture. Mixtures sometimes fool you like that. It looks like there's not enough, and then you end up with a great big cake. Looking forward to this. Really doesn't look like there's enough. And then we're gonna add the caramel sauce. I love this stuff. Ugh, got to try and get it out though. It gets really tricky to get out. Oh, here we go. That looks horrible. Excuse me. What is the best way to get this stuff out? It's heavy. There must be lots in here, but it's just not wanting to come out.
Hello.
What do you know? Heat it.
Put it in the water, jug of warm water.
I was wondering about that.
Yeah.
I just can't be bothered.
I'll
Gonna get a knife to it. It's a pain, isn't it? I think actually I'd rather have the can in some ways. At least it just comes out, doesn't it? So this container's all squished together now. There's loads of it still in there. Now I've got cake mix in here. I'm making a right mess of this. Aid's just got it in warm water. He's managed to get loads in there. We've got to fold it through.
Figure away.
Yeah, I know, I'm just trying to do it with one hand at the moment, so it's not going so well. This is going to be so delicious. And the mixture has actually filled out quite nicely in the pan now. There we go. Thanks to Aid, we have got lots more caramel. I'm going to stick this in the oven for 30 minutes. Do you think they'll come out like that? What do you think? We'll find out. Oh my goodness, these Blondies smell delicious. They've been bubbling with chocolate and caramel through. They look so good. If you haven't heard of a Blondie before, it's basically the opposite of a brownie. It's like a brownie but without the chocolate. Morning, it is Saturday morning. We had such a nice time last night.
Do you remember it all?
I drank a little bit too much gin. Probably, what, to be honest, what did I have, 3 glasses? That's too much.
You had a third of a bottle.
Did I?
It's a small bottle.
It was a small bottle. It was fruity.
Tiny bottle.
It just tasted so nice. Yeah, so we've had a bit of a slower morning today. Aid is defrosting the fridge. So he's been doing that this morning. I did my nails, we had coffee. The Rolo cake, oh my goodness.
That was really nice. I'm checking if the rest of the Rolos are still there.
It was so good, really good. Anyway, we're going to wander into town to get some steps in this morning. And then we're going to come back and work this afternoon. I might nip in a couple of little charity shops actually. Haven't been to those ones actually. Oh, we've been in the one bigger one, but only to drop off actually.
For what, sorry?
Just have nose. Saturday morning. Just fancy doing that, just going for a little wander. It feels quite nice as well because it's not as hot as it was, so it feels nice to go out for a walk. some nice plates down here. I like that one. I really like that. I wonder how much these are. Yeah, it's like what we used to have in the pub, like that, on all the tables. Oh, I like that. I really like that, actually. That's a nice one.
It's a really nice one.
Yeah, it's £8 though. Gulliver's Travels. He'd like that, wouldn't he? Oh, there's a scented. What, do you reckon it's scented, or is it just a or is it just a puzzle of scented lavender?
Scented with lavender.
You reckon? Good walk. We've nearly done our quota for the day, haven't we?
We have.
We did really well. Aid's back at the freezer. We're going to have dinner at lunchtime. It's 12:30. We're going to put the barbie on and do burgers. Get some mushrooms on because I bought too many mushrooms by mistake. I didn't realise I had some. We'll do that. Oh, having charity shops become so expensive. I was quite surprised looking around in there. That tiny little ashtray thing, that little dish, £5. And like I said yesterday, I bought that new vase from Morrison's for £2 and it wasn't even on offer. I really think sometimes charity shops price themselves out a little bit. I really do. What are they like around by you? Do you find them quite pricey? But yeah, nothing caught my eye today. I liked that yellow plate a lot. It would look nice in here. But there was no prices on. I don't like it when things aren't priced. Anyway, I'm going to crack on with this. I'm also going to get work sorted because we're going to have a working afternoon. This smells so good. Really, really good. This looks so delicious. I have got a burger with cheese under there as well. And there's Aid's. You're going to build your own burger.
Bit of a tomato on there.
Yeah, to make it healthy.
We're going to make it really messy.
And we've still got our homemade.
Put it on there.
Oh, special
Armholes.
sauce. It's like Big Mac sauce, isn't it? Morning, happy Sunday to you. It's 8:30. We're just heading out for a walk. We watched last night, or yesterday afternoon, Princess and the Frog. It's a movie we've been meaning to watch for ages. It was so, let me just pop the camera up here actually. It was so good. Have you seen it before? It might go down as one of my favourite Disney movies actually. I love Tiana anyway. She's one of my favourite princesses. The movie was so good. I didn't know there was the food aspect to it, so that was quite nice. This made me want to make gumbo. It was just really good. I really enjoyed it. The music is amazing. We knew some of the music from it anyway because of the Disney parades and things like that. Loved it, really loved it. We both did. Really easy to watch. I love Ratatouille. Ratatouille is my favourite Disney movie, so I think that's my close second. Really liked it. Let us know if you've seen it before and what is your favourite Disney movie. Anyway, we're heading out. We were both working on kits yesterday afternoon and I have got my page ready here to create something this afternoon for a video. This is my download that's going up tomorrow for my Patreons that I've created. So for anyone that's on the paid tiers, you will get that. We're also going to be doing the fridge today. We've got some little organising bits and as it's been defrosted, it's back on now. We're going to sort that out this afternoon. Going to make a spatchcock Moroccan chicken for dinner, and I think I need to sort the pantry. I might try and get that done this afternoon but film that in a separate video because that's going to take quite a while. That is today's plan. Right, let's get out and walk. I think it's going to be a busy Sunday.
Side by side, my sweet lady, more the courage. Some love.
Yeah, imagine living in those houses there, backed onto this water? That would be so lovely. How peaceful. And nobody can walk past the back of your house either, look. It's not overlooked at all. Just come across a whole massive swan family. Are we walking past? These cygnets are huge. I don't want to walk past this swan, I think. Should we walk back? Go on, you go first. And then if they attack anyone, hopefully it's you. They are so big. Just going to make a wide berth, I think. Wow. Just walk on by, minding our own business. It has been a very productive Sunday. It's now 2:30. I have completely cleaned out the pantry. That's done. And I filmed a video for that, which has already gone up, so I'll leave a link to that down below. I'm feeling quite tired now, are you?
Yeah.
Aid's been sorting out the freezer and other bits and pieces. Right, we're going to sort out the fridge. The fridge has obviously been a nightmare since we moved in. We've spoken to our neighbours actually, and as much as they don't like the fridge, they don't get the freezing problem. Aid has completely defrosted everything, so we're going to try it again, see if that helps. We picked up these fridge containers organisers in Lidl. They were $2.99 for a set of 2. So we're going to see if these can help us organise the fridge a little bit better. So I'm going to wash them up. And I think we're going to treat them as salad drawers because anything in the bottom is freezing. We can't keep salad or anything right down low. So we thought we'd higher it up a little bit and see. Because what we're finding is, Aid was just saying sort of like it's 10 degrees at the top but freezing at the bottom of the fridge. But it could be that we've defrosted it, that it helps, but it has been like this since day one. So I think this is going to be the last try. And then I think we're going to contact the manufacturer, aren't we? By the way, if you didn't see my larder declutter, I have just cleaned out the whole thing. I'll do a little before photo for you if you want to go and get some reorganising inspiration. We've also got this fridge full at the moment. That's going to be going in the fridge in here. And we are now going to sort this fridge out and hopefully make the space a little bit more better organised for us. Let's see if these work. We can only get 3 across the bottom anyway, Aid.
Okay.
Could be that we can do 1 in the bottom or something. Good old takeout containers, they're the best, aren't they? These are all blueberries from the garden. I get a handful of blueberries every day. My little blueberry bush. So I've moved some stuff in. I'm just going to go out to the fridge in the garage and bring some more stuff over. So far, we've done that to the fridge. And I'm now gonna focus on this Moroccan chicken. It smells so good. I've got that bag of chicken in there. So what I'm making is, what's it called? I've heard of it before and I've gone to buy it and I haven't got around to it or I've forgotten. It is called, this Moroccan spice. I hate. It's an all-purpose Moroccan spice mix, which I'm going to make up myself now. I'll leave the recipe below. If you buy it ready mixed, it's called Ras Al Hanout. Does that sound right? I don't know. Let me know how you say it. Anyway, I'm going to mix that up now. So I've got ground cinnamon, mixed spice, ground coriander, salt, pepper, ground cloves, cayenne pepper for a bit of a kick, cumin and ginger. That is such a mix. I think I'm going to maybe 3 times the quantity and then just pop it in a jar so I've got some for next time. It smells so nice. I can't remember the last time I roasted a chicken.
It smells so good.
It really does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
smell is so good. The mixed spice and the cloves really come through. That's really nice. I'm doing this a little bit differently. You're supposed to marinate it in this stuff, but I wasn't ready, so I've roasted it off anyway, and I'm just going to pop it on in here. It's just going to have to do. I'm sure it will still be very tasty. And then we're going to finish it off on the Barbie. It's just sprayed in my face. I'm going to put that back in the oven. I'm just popping the veggies in the oven as well. I'm going to make some Moroccan couscous. And to the oil, I am just going to add lemon juice. This is still for the couscous. Turmeric. I've got some garlic in there, and I'm actually going to add some of the spices. That smells so good. It's going to carry the chicken out. We're going to finish it on the barbecue. And in the meantime, I'm just getting this couscous ready. I've got some boiling water with a veggie stock. Just bringing the stock and turmeric to the boil. I've got my couscous and my raisins ready. And once that's come to the boil, we pour that over the top. Cover up with cling film and we leave for 5 minutes. Let's get some mint as well. Chop that off. Ouch. The couscous is absorbing all that liquid. That smells so good. Give it a stir through. And we're going to add all the veggies as well. And also our little spicy lemon oily mix. Mix that all up. Dinner's nearly done, babe. And I'm just going to mix in the mint from the garden. Right, let's try this. And this is the good thing with this, you can eat it hot and cold. So what we don't eat today, we could have for lunch tomorrow. That is so good. I'm gonna just add some salt. I might add just a little bit more of that mix that I made as well. Oh, I can smell that. Oh my goodness, Aid's brought the chicken in. It smells good, doesn't it?
I can smell that, I'm so hungry.
That is so tasty. Oh, this, I can't tell you how good this smells. It smells so delicious. We've got the roasted carrots, and I did them with the marmalade. No, I did mango chutney in the end. That chicken, finished off on that Barbie, looks delicious. And we've got some lettuce leaves with lemon juice and salt. I'm going to try a bit of the crispy skin first. That might be the best chicken skin I've ever eaten. That definitely isn't fit for Florida. But it's so good.
No.
I like the sweetness mixed with the spices. It's not a bad way to do a roast in a bag actually, is it?
No.
Just to sort of like jazz it up a little bit. That chicken was seriously delicious. It was so nice that it was finished off on the barbecue. If ever you're missing ingredients, don't let it put you off. I didn't have any pomegranate molasses. I've never even heard of that. I just put in something else sweet. I was looking for apricot jam. I thought that would go well. But I had mango chutney, so I threw that instead. But I never let anything put me off if I haven't got it. And like that spice, that Moroccan spice, it said I needed. I can't remember what it was called now, the 3-word one. I didn't have that, so I looked that up and I realised that all of the spices that go into that I had. Like you saw, I put my own together. So just goes to show that there's often ways around things. Anyway, we have got, this couscous was so nice. We've got enough left for lunch tomorrow. I'm just waiting for the chicken to properly cool down. We have got loads of chicken left there. And that's perfect because tomorrow I'm doing pad thai for tea, so I'm really looking forward to that. It felt so nice walking in that larder as well, the pantry space. It just felt lovely with it just being so clear. It's the first time I'd walked in there when I was making that dinner since clearing it out. So I'm very happy that I did that. Today has not gone as I expected. I expected to get loads of work done and instead I ended up doing a last minute pantry sort out, which really needed doing. Anyway, it's 6:10. We've just been for another walk, just a shorter walk, just like a sort of like mile and a bit walk, just to walk off dinner a little bit. Oh, by the way, I just found it really funny recently. Somebody commented on one of my videos, some old guy, that all we do is eat sausage rolls. I think it was around about when we did a couple of, when we went to, where was it we were going? Gloucester Services, it was around about that time. And I just think people are so critical sometimes. If anyone watched my videos, you would know that we eat far from just sausage rolls, that I cook from scratch every single day, and our diets are so varied. Moroccan today, Thai tomorrow. We could not eat a more varied diet if we tried. I get bored easily. I cook different things all the time. So yeah, that was a strange comment. We've just been for a walk. Aid's just in the shower. I'm gonna go and film a journaling video if I can block out the sun. Oh, we've got new blinds coming this week. Hopefully, anyway, it said 7 to 10 days. So hopefully they'll be coming this week. So we're really excited about that. We've ordered 2 for downstairs. So if we like them, we're gonna get them for upstairs as well. Because I really do need one in my studio space because come about 1:30, I can't film at my desk anymore because it's too sunny. Anyway, I'm gonna give it a go, see if I can balance a box up there. I sometimes do that. And then tonight at 8 o'clock, I am doing a travel Zoom, or I'm listening in on a travel Zoom, which I'm really excited. See what I mean? It's impossible to film on here. You just get one massive glare. Let's see if I can fix that. See what I mean? Right, let's put this box over it. Yeah, that's a bit better. Might be able to make that work. Time to finish off this video. I've just been editing back and I realized that I didn't make it overly obvious what I'd done with the chicken. It was a roast in the bag chicken I'd picked up discounted a while ago. It's been in the freezer, yellow stickered for £3. And I thought I would just give it a little bit of a change, so I kind of like made it Moroccan style. I thought we were going to do like spatchcock, but I just left it as it was in the end. And then half an hour before it was finished, I put over that like Moroccan glaze. It was really good. I'll include the original recipe, which as usual I've played with and changed a bit. The mango chutney edition was lovely. If I'd have had apricot jam, I would have used that instead. I always love that kind of style of couscous. We did have it the following day for lunch, which was really nice. And if I did it again, I'd probably make up some hummus or something as well. That would have been a really nice addition. I hope you've enjoyed hanging out with us this weekend. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next weekend vlog. Have an amazing week. Take care. Bye.